Define acid strength. The strength of an acid in aqueous solution is determined by its extent of ionization or dissociation. According to the sources, strong acids are those that dissociate completely into ions, whereas weak acids only partially ionize, resulting in an equilibrium between the molecular acid and its ions. Identify the core concept. The question tests the ability to distinguish between the small group of common strong acids and the much larger category of weak acids. Evaluate this strong acid list. In AP Chemistry, students are expected to recognize the standard strong acids, binary acids, HCl, HBr, and HI. Oxyacids: HNO3, H2SO4, HClO4, and HClO3. Analyze the options. Options A, B, C, and E. HCl, HClO4, HNO3, and H2SO4 are all included in the standard list of strong acids. Option D, H2S, is a binary acid, but it is not one of the three strong halogen-based binary acids. Conclusion: because H2S, hydrosulfuric acid, does not dissociate completely in water and is not one of the recognized strong acids, it is the only weak acid among the choices provided. The correct answer is option D, H2S.